Hello and welcome to this new video on how to create MetaMask wallet. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So in order to create MetaMask wallet, firstly you need to download your MetaMask application. So MetaMask also has an browser extension, so you can just go to the browser and search for MetaMask, and you need to download the MetaMask. And when you click on the download button, they will redirect you to the browser store, and there you just have to download MetaMask. And when you have successfully downloaded MetaMask, browser will ask if you want to add the extension of MetaMask in your browser, and you just need to accept that invitation. After that, the extension will be added to your MetaMask, and you just need to open the MetaMask and finish the login and sign up process, and you will be able to create the account. And in MetaMask, your account and wallet is same thing, so don't get confused on that. So when you create your MetaMask account, you are also creating your MetaMask wallet. So this is how to create MetaMask wallet. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.